Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make no fry, no maida veg Manchurian recipe. This is very delicious veg Manchurian recipe without frying and without maida. I have tossed the Manchurian balls in Appe pan for this recipe. Let's jump into the making. First, in a bowl, I am taking half cup of zucchini which is grated and squeezed. Next, let's add 1 carrot grated, half cup broccoli grated. Next, add half cup green bell peppers chopped, that is capsicum. Next, let's add 1/3 cup of French beans, half cup of red bell peppers and half cup of spring onions. Add the salt needed for the veggies. Add approximately 1 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. This gives a nice flavor to this recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's mix well once. Adding salt releases water from the veggies. Next, add 1/3 cup of rice flour. This is our secret ingredient. Next, add 1/4 cup of corn flour or cornstarch. After mixing, you can see the veggies releases water. Add water only when needed. My mixture is not too dry, so I skipped it. Let's make the veggie balls now. Drizzle some oil in Appe pan. Add the mix with the help of the spoon. Just make sure it is filled. Keep the flame in medium, otherwise it will burn. Cover and cook for 2 minutes on each side. After 2 minutes, I am flipping it over and cooking on the other side. It got an amazing golden texture. In another pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Fry it for 2 minutes. Then add 1 slit green chilli. Adjust it according to your taste. Add half an onion thinly sliced and half cup of spring onion whites. Add salt needed to cook the onions faster. Fry everything for 2 minutes until it is slightly browned. Meanwhile, I have cooked the first batch of the veggie balls and I am cooking the second batch now. Add 1 cup of chopped bell peppers. I am adding green and red bell peppers. Once it is cooked, let's add the sauces now. I have mixed 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon red chilli sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce and 2 tablespoons water. Mix everything and add it to the pan. This way the sauces won't be burnt. Cook for a minute. Once it starts to boil, add in the fried veggie balls. See how delicious it looks. If you want a thicker gravy, add water with corn flour. That's it, our dry veg Manchurian is done. Mix well until the sauces are absorbed into the veggie balls. See how delicious it looks without frying. Garnish it with spring onion greens. This is such a quick and easier starter recipe. Serve it with rice of choice. Tastes perfectly delicious. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. The notes, ingredients and other playlists are given in the description. See how soft and perfect it has been cooked. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.